Today we will learn parts of speech. So let's begin. Number one, noun. A noun is the name of person, place, thing, or idea. For examples, one person, Ahmad. Two, place, Istanbul. Three, thing, book. Four, idea, love. Number two, pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. For example, 1. Ali is my friend. He is kind. 2. Tayyib has a book. He likes reading. 3. The dog is cute. It is playing. Here, here are he, and it are pronouns. Number 3. Verb. A verb is in action or doing what it shows in action or state. For example, 1. Ahmad runs fast. 2. They play football. 3. He is happy. So here runs, play, and is are verb. Number 4. Adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells how, when, where, or how much. For example, he runs fast. 2. He came yesterday. 3. They live nearby. 4. The tea is very hot. Here are fast, yesterday, nearby, and very are adverbs.